If you're hiring subcontractors, there's one question you should ask before any work begins. Do they have the right insurance coverage? Many contractors focus on pricing, timelines, and project schedules. But one of the biggest risks on any job site isn't the work itself. It's what happens when a subcontractor causes a claim and doesn't have adequate insurance. A single accident can lead to lawsuits, project delays, damaged relationships, and significant financial losses. That's why understanding insurance requirements is essential for. Don't let a missed insurance requirement put your project at risk. Contractors, property owners, developers, project managers. In today's webinar, we'll cover the key insurance requirements every contractor should verify before hiring a subcontractor. Let's get started. We'll explain how these requirements fit into an effective risk management strategy. Why subcontractor insurance requirements matter. Every subcontractor creates potential exposure. An employee could be injured, property could be damaged, a vehicle accident could occur, a third party could file a lawsuit. Without proper insurance requirements in place, those claims may ultimately impact the contractor, property owner, or project stakeholders. Insurance requirements help transfer risk to the party performing the work and ensure financial resources are available when claims arise. This process is often referred to as contractual risk transfer. The goal is simple: protect your business before a loss occurs. Requirement number 1, general liability insurance. The first and most important requirement is commercial general liability insurance. General liability coverage helps protect against claims involving bodily injury, property damage, personal injury, legal defense costs. Most contractors require subcontractors to maintain specific liability limits based on project size and risk. A certificate of insurance should confirm these details, but certificates alone are not enough. Before work begins, verify policy limits, effective dates, insurance carrier information, coverage classifications. Requirement number 2, workers' compensation insurance. Workers' compensation insurance is another critical requirement. Provides benefits to employees with work-related injuries or illnesses. Without workers' compensation coverage, injured workers may seek recovery through alternative legal channels, creating additional exposure. Always verify state requirements are met. Document exemptions and consult with legal insurance professionals. Requirement number 3, commercial auto insurance. Many subcontractors use vehicles as part of their operations. Automobile claims can generate substantial losses. Commercial auto insurance helps protect against claims from vehicle accidents. Coverage is vital for subcontractors who transport materials, deliver equipment, travel between job sites, operate company-owned vehicles. Requirement number 4, umbrella liability insurance. For larger projects, contractors often require umbrella or excess liability coverage. Provides additional limits above underlying policies such as general liability and commercial auto. High-severity claims can quickly exceed primary policy limits. Umbrella coverage gives an extra layer of protection. Project size and risk exposure determine if umbrella coverage is necessary. Requirement number 5, additional insured status. One of the most important contractual risk transfer tools is the additional insured endorsement. Extends certain liability coverage to another party under the subcontractor's policy. Example, a general contractor may require a subcontractor to add the contractor as an additional insured. If a claim arises from the subcontractor's work, the contractor may get defense and coverage benefits. This strengthens risk transfer and reduces gaps in protection. Requirement number 6, waiver of subrogation. Many contracts also require a waiver of subrogation. Subrogation lets insurance carriers pursue recovery from another party after paying a claim. A waiver limits those recovery rights. Purpose: reduce litigation and preserve business relationships between project participants. Verify endorsements for waivers have been properly issued. Requirement number 7, certificates of insurance. Certificates of insurance, COIs, are often the first document requested. COIs provide evidence that coverage exists. Do not rely exclusively on the certificate for additional insured status, waiver of subrogation, policy language modifications. Always request and verify endorsements match contract requirements. Common mistakes contractors make. Let's discuss several mistakes that frequently create problems. Ongoing verification is essential. Accepting expired certificates, failing to verify policy limits, not reviewing endorsements, assuming coverage exists without documentation, neglecting annual audits of subcontractor insurance compliance. Conclusion: subcontractor insurance requirements are far more than paperwork. They're a critical part of protecting your business, your projects, and your financial future. Key requirements to remember: general liability insurance, workers' compensation insurance, commercial auto insurance, umbrella liability coverage, additional insured status, waiver of subrogation, certificates of insurance. The most successful contractors don't simply collect insurance documents. They verify them, monitor them, and integrate them into a comprehensive risk management strategy. Thank you for joining today's webinar, www.montridgeinsurance.com. If you found this information helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video with other contractors, business owners, and construction professionals. For additional resources on commercial insurance, contractor insurance, and risk management strategies, visit. We'll see you in the next webinar.